bros, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Today I'm recreating an old sketch. This is an old sketchbook that I got when I was probably around 4 or 5 years old. It's filled with a bunch of different doodles and dresses that I sketched out. Throughout my sketchbook, you might notice a little theme. I have gone through several phases, and one of the biggest ones was wedding dresses, as you can see by this veil right here, and this dress. I really like those off-the-shoulder kind of sleeves there. I also tried out a sleeveless, but didn't like that so much. It wasn't as pretty. Yeah, that's terrifying. As you can tell right here, this is my Little Pony phase. We have a Fluttershy, Applejack, Rainbow Dash, Twilight Sparkle, and I believe this is the beginning of a Rarity dress that I never finished. This is my genius sketch of my dream room when I was about 7 or 8 years old. Big fan of the peace signs and love that bay window. What you can't tell from this one is that the color scheme is like blue and lime green. It is very bold. Okay, on to the next sketchbook. This one I got when I was about 10 years old, and it was also well loved. This blue and green dress here is actually the color scheme that I was talking about for that room sketch. That I tried on mannequins that are very misshapen, and I'm pretty sure these bathing suits wouldn't fit on anyone. They are not pretty. I also tried out a few costumes. They're not terrible. They're actually pretty good for a 10-year-old, if I do say so myself. This one I drew right after watching that How to Build a Better Boy movie, and I fell in love with the design. It was one of my favorite sketches. So clearly I tried once more with the bathing suits and failed with the mannequin. The arms aren't even in the armholes. This one here I actually did recently, and I'm super proud of it, but it would kind of be cheating to use it for this video, considering I'm trying to change an old one to look better. So, let's go ahead and choose. So, I'm going back through the first notebook because I liked my options a little better, and I thought about doing one of these My Little Pony dresses, but thought that was a bit too easy for me and I could do something better. So I think I'm going to choose one of my old wedding dresses. Probably not that one. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with this one right here. Let's do it. So one of the first things that I'm going to change about this dress is the shape, obviously. I don't want it to be a crooked mess. So I want to make sure the bodice and skirt is nice and symmetrical, and I'm going to make sure that the base is nice and flowy, and then I can add the sleeves here. And then add my layers, and because it doesn't really seem to be coming from a specific spot other than a circle in the middle, I've made a belt and then changed the circle to a flower. Now I just need to add the final touches to make it actually look like a dress, and I'm done. Here is the old one turned new. I think it really shows how far I've come as an artist and how much progress I've made since that last drawing. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.